Hello and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make coriander cumin powder at home, also known as Dhaniya Jeera, because I just happened to run out of it and I thought, okay, this is the perfect time to do a video on it. So let's get cooking. You'll need 230 grams of coriander seeds, 115 grams of cumin seeds, 35 grams of black peppercorn, and 10 grams of fennel seeds. So I'm just going to preheat my oven to 160 degrees centigrade. Go ahead and add all the ingredients to a baking tray. Then go ahead and mix it together. So my oven is preheated and I'm going to go ahead and put my tray in. And I'm just going to let it roast until it's fragrant. Alright, so it's been roasting for 5 minutes, so I'm just going to check on it. Alright, just giving it a quick stir and then I think I'll let it roast for another 5 minutes. Alright, so it's been 10 minutes in total and I can definitely smell it, so it's nice and fragrant. Now I'm just going to let it cool. Now that it's cooled completely, I'm just going to go ahead and grind it in batches. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and I'll see you again very soon for some more cooking inspiration. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.